Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil using trend channels and in 3-minute candlestick chart for identifying the day trading change in trends. So normally we used to draw 3 trend channels. So after drawing the 3 trend channels, we will try to see how far it is useful for us. So now what I'm going to do, let's see what happened yesterday for the trend channels we had drawn earlier. So this is the first trend channel we drawn earlier for the yesterday's market. I'm going to enlarge this. If you want to know how we had drawn this trend channel, please go back to our YouTube videos and you can see that. So this is the first trend channel and it's the uptrend channel. So yesterday the price opened here, it tried to take resistance at this area, came down, find various support along with the violet line and finally tried to break it, but clearly it didn't come. Again it found some support. After clearing it, it went up and took a resistance at this area and it came down and closed up. So you could see the first trend channel, whatever we had drawn, the price maintained its buying. So this is the upper band where we expect the price to maintain its buying, but still that happened. So we can also see how the trend channels is acting as a very good support and resistance. We call it as a diagonal support and resistance. So this is the second downtrend channel we had drawn, and if you see how it had reacted, the price opened somewhere here and after taking support in this violet line, it tried to move up, found resistance, came down, and the intermediate zone we had various ups and downs, but finally the price took support at the bottom red line and it shooted up and broke this upper one and went and closed higher. So the second trend channel also, in some way it had identified the possible change in trends and with some clear indication on the supports and resistance. This is the third trend channel we had drawn, and you could see after the price opening here, the price went, clearly took a resistance, came down, and to some extent it provided support. On the breakout of at this point, you could see the price went up. So it's a very clear, this the third trend channel gave us a very clear idea. So normally we used to draw 3 trend channels to guide help us. Now let's go back and see how we can draw trend channels for today. So this is the first trend channel we had drawn by picking the high created. So we had picked the contract high and projected along with this channel. So in order to identify the today's possible trend, so it's expected open somewhere near 4790s within the zone. We are posting this video, recording this video much earlier. So the key is this should act as a resistance if for a downtrend market and push the price down. Again this violet line, this zone is going to play a crucial role. So if the price is taking support in the violet line, it always means that there are chances that the price can break this blue line. So this is a critical area. If the price broke this blue line, it indicates that momentum is very strong on the buying side. So this is the first trend channel we had drawn to identify the trend. So let's go and see the second trend channel. So this is our second trend channel we had drawn. So you could see we had connected the 2 points and had drawn the second trend channel. So the second trend channel, the price so you could see our expectancy is, in order for the market to continue its buying, it should travel in this path. The price is expected to open somewhere here, so we can always expect the price to have some support along with the violet line, and even if the price breaks the violet line, this blue should provide a good decent support. If that is not happening, it will act as a resistance and push the price down. So that's a very critical point with this second trend channel. Now let's go and see the third trend channel what we had drawn. So this is the third trend channel. So we had how we had drawn this third trend channel. So we have neglected few price actions here. We could see the price is moving along in this path. So slowly steadily it's moving in this path. So what we want to do, we need to identify this again we are trying to focus on this 4760s in this zone. These two violet line and this blue line should act as a support and push the price higher. If that is not happening, it will break down and you can expect some short-term selling. So let us see how these trend lines are going to be of use today. So what you need to do, just pause the videos and pick the points where we have drawn the channels, and you can draw your own trend channels in your trading platform. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.